Have you ever heard of the goblin shark? This isn't a creature from a horror movie, it's real. Nicknamed a living fossil, the goblin shark has been around for over 125 million years, dating back to the time of dinosaurs. The strangest part? This shark can launch its jaw forward to snatch prey in the blink of an eye. With a speed of nearly 3.1 meters per second, it has one of the fastest bites in the ocean. And here's something even weirder. The goblin shark's blood gives its skin a pinkish hue. But it's not because of pigment. It's because its semi-transparent skin reveals the blood vessels underneath. But don't worry. Humans rarely encounter them because they live at depths of 1,300 meters beneath the ocean.
Subscribe for more amazing facts.